Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making 75 chains. So now that we have chained 75, I'll make sure that my chain is not twisted. Then through the last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. So now for row 1, I will chain 5. Then through that same chain, I'll make 1 treble crochet. Again, I will skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain, I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 1. So now to finish row 1, right here through this 4th chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, through this 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 5. Now through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. So for row 2 we're repeating row 1. So through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 2, and then when we reach the end of row 2 we'll just join through the 4th chain just like we did in row 1. So yeah, we repeat this throughout row 2, and for the pattern we repeat row 2. So we repeat row 2 until our work reaches our desired length. We repeat row 2 until our work measures 8.5 inches. And so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 rows in total. And now for row 11 we'll start to decrease. So through this next 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 4. Now right here through this next loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 treble crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 11. Now to finish row 11, right here through this 4th chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 11. Now for row 12 I will chain 4. Now through these next 2 chains I will make 2 double crochet clusters. So Through his next 2 chains, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster, which is just like a decrease. So yeah, I'll just repeat this throughout row 12. We decrease through every chain. Now to finish row 12, right here through this first double crochet cluster chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 12. Now for row 13, I'll chain 4, then through his next 2 chains I will decrease, so I'll make 2 double crochet clusters through the next 2 chains. Through the next 2 chains I'll decrease, through the next 2 chains I'll decrease, so yeah, I'll just repeat this throughout row 13. Now to finish row 13, right here through this first double crochet cluster chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, I'll leave a medium-sized tail, then I'll cut this yarn. Now I'll close this loop with the yarn needle. Now I'll use the yarn a different color and make a couple more rows around the headband area. Now right here through this 2 chain loop, insert my hook, insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain, then through that same loop I'll make 3 half double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Through this next loop, through this next 2 chain loop, I'll make 3 half double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Through his next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 half double crochet. Through his next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 half double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout this row. Now to finish this first row on the headband area, I will make a slip stitch right here to this first half double crochet chain. I'll chain one, then I'll cut this yarn. Now I'll make one more row just so I can blend these colors. So right there through that first half double crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain one, then through that same chain I'll make one half double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make one half double crochet. Through the next chain one half double crochet. Through the next chain one half double crochet. Through the next chain one half double crochet. So I'll continue making one half double crochet through each chain throughout this second row. So now that we reach the end of the second row, I'll cut this yarn and I'll join these two ends with a yarn needle. So that is 10 inches wide and 12 inches long. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.